Hello, this is Yifan Hou from Professor Pablo Zhao's group in Xiamen University. In this tutorial, I will show you how to calculate vibrational spectra from molecular dynamics trajectories with MLatom. The idea is very simple. After running molecular dynamics, you can get a time series of molecules and you can calculate vibrational spectra from this time series. You will get infrared spectra from dipole moments and power spectra from velocities. Currently, in MLatom, some of QM methods can provide dipole moments. For example, those methods interface to the Gaussian program and MNDO program. The AIQM1 method can also provide dipole moments only if you use the MNDO program. So if you want to calculate infrared spectrum, make sure that your method provides dipole moments. The power spectrum does not have this limitation because it only needs velocities. As for how to run molecular dynamics in MLatom, you can refer to our previous tutorial and video on our website. Then we can look at how to calculate vibrational spectra via input file. You need to use MD2 vibr keyword to request vibrational spectra from the trajectory and provide the trajectory in H5 MD format, which you can download here. It is a trajectory of ethanol in gas phase at 300 Kelvin using IQM1. The time step of the trajectory is 0.5 femtosecond, and we use part of it from 0 femtosecond to 10,000 femtoseconds. And you can use this output equals IR keyword to get the infrared spectrum. Now let's copy this input file to our website. And you need to upload the trajectory here and then submit the job. After running the calculation, you will get the infrared spectra in this folder like this. You can also calculate power spectra by using output equals PS keyword, and the power spectra should look like this. So apart from MD trajectories in H5 MD format, you can also use dipole moments and velocities in plain text, which is output of MLatom. So below are the examples of these two cases. And you can also use MLatom in your Python script, and the keywords are very similar to that in the input file. So if you have any questions and suggestions, please contact us via email and Slack channels, which you will find in the description of this video.